Okay, so what's Google got for me today? I don't know, because it's Sunday, the 21st of November 2021, and Sundays are different. So, I don't know. What's Google got? Okay, Google, tell me a fact.
With pleasure, I admire your curiosity. Wikipedia says that budgies can be taught to whistle, sing, and even speak. Puck the budgie had the largest vocabulary of any bird, at 1,728 words.
I'm always wary of something that says Puck the budgie had the largest vocabulary, because there could be other budgies on there around that have much larger vocabularies, but they just haven't got noticed yet. Anyway, Puck the budgie has over 1,000 words in his vocabulary. Well, I might speak to him, or her, or not. Okay, well, that's my video for today. I think. Isn't it? Isn't it 2 minutes yet? I think it is 2 minutes, surely. Yes, that's 2 minutes. Okay, that's my video for today.